welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another style try on haul situation. Today we're doing Abercrombie. I know I've done a ton of hauls recently. I just did a Zara one and an H&M one, but I haven't done an Abercrombie one in like a couple months now, and it's just because I haven't found anything that I've like loved, but this haul, good stuff. So I'm super excited to share everything. I did it similar to my last one where I have one piece and I styled it a couple different ways to show you the versatility of it. I love doing that. It helps me decide if like it's really worth it for me to keep it in my collection. I don't keep every single thing, so this is a great chance for me to tell you to weigh in the comments down below. Let me know if you think it should stay or it should go. There are a couple pieces that I already know, and then there are a couple pieces that I'm on the fence about, which I will let you know. But yeah, I want to style them a couple different ways to show you the versatility of the pieces. I didn't do it with every single piece, but a couple of them just to show you like, okay, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It goes with different kinds of pants that I have, different shoes, whatever, to kind of decide if it's worth keeping in my collection. And I encourage everyone to do that. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. You can use this video also as a really good gift idea for anybody who is a big fan of Abercrombie in your life, or for yourself and asking things that you'd like for Christmas or the holidays, or just to be able to take advantage of some sales that they might have going on. If they have anything going on, I will link everything down below. And yeah, if I can find everything, I'll link it with my sizing as well. If I size up, size down, all that good stuff. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so this first piece I got is a sweater dress. I love this. The only thing is I wish I had gotten my true size, even a small or a medium. I went with an extra small because it was the only thing they have left, but I hope that they restock it. I just didn't know, but it's a little tighter than I would like. I would like a looser fit just because I just do. I love the thickness and softness of this sweater. It's such good quality, and I love the little like mock neck situation on it. It's so cute. It's just a little tight around like the hip booty area, which I would like it to be a little bit more like loose, flowy-ish. But it's so pretty, so nice. Love everything about this. It does come in short, regular, and long, which I probably would have been fine with an extra small and a long, or a small and a long, but yeah, it's a bit short for me, but overall, besides that, I love it. I love this cream color. It's so pretty. I got a maxi dress from Abercrombie in this sort of color, but I didn't have any sweater dresses, and I really don't have a ton of sweater dresses. I think I have one other sweater dress that's black and long, so I thought this was super cute. I styled it two different ways. First of all, like classic Kelly style, very casual with a denim jacket. You cannot go wrong with a denim jacket over a sweater dress. You just need a denim jacket in your life, and Abercrombie has some amazing ones. And I paired it with my favorite little sneakers. These are my Axel Arigatos. These are so cute. I know they're pricey, but they're worth it. They're such a good like statement but basic sneaker, if you know what I mean. You can dress them up, dress them down. I love them, and I loved them with the color of this dress plus the denim. Another way that I styled it is more of like a night out sort of look. I threw on my leather jacket. This one's from Topshop, but I will list one from Abercrombie down below. I've had their leather jackets before. They're amazing quality. They no longer sell this jacket any longer. And then I threw it on with some thigh-high boots. I purchased these last year or earlier this year from Goodnight Macaroon, and that was like the first thing that I've ever purchased from that site before, and I'm so impressed with the quality of these. So they're stretchy, they fit the thigh perfectly, they have a zipper to get in and out of in the back. They have a small heel, but it's a block heel, and they're so comfortable to wear, and they have a pointed toe, so I loved that look. Because this dress is shorter, I wanted to cover up a little bit more by adding some thigh-high boots if it's gonna be like a night out sort of look. So you're a little bit more covered during the nighttime, but still really cute. So love that sweater dress. Like I said, I would go true to size or go up a size. I would not go down a size because I went down a size and I'm not happy with the way it fits. Moving along, I got this sweatshirt. This is a cropped sort of style sweatshirt with a like turtleneck situation. I don't know how to explain it. It reminds me very much so of like Lululemon's sort of colors that are like this. I think they're so cute, and obviously warmer during the winter. This is overall though a thinner sweater. It's super soft, or sweater, not sweater, sweatshirt. It's super soft and fleece lined, but it's not so thick and bulky, except for the color, which is, and I like how it holds its shape. But this is just such a pretty color. I love the gray, the heathered gray. It goes with every color like legging you have in your wardrobe. I paired it with these blue ones that I got off of Amazon that are super cute. I just love this sweatshirt, and I would probably wear it to the gym, like over an outfit to run errands afterwards or before. I paired it with my basic Lululemon bum bag. I love this thing. I wear it all the time for walks and errands. And then my basic white Nike Air 270s, I want to say. Another way that I styled it though was with a pair of Mod jeans. I've been loving these ones from H&M specifically. These are just so comfortable and cute, but with a sweater you can, or with that sweatshirt, you can kind of dress it up a bit by adding a pair of structured denim with some high top Converse. These are my favorite, these white ones. If you can get your hands on these, I highly recommend them. They're just like such a good basic staple. So that's a way to kind of like, I wouldn't say dress up, but make it more of like a daytime casual outfit versus like a running errands like bummy sweatshirt look. So I love that. I can style that two ways, and that will definitely be staying because it is so cute. Okay, moving along, when I saw this piece, I thought that I absolutely needed it in my wardrobe. You'll have to let me know. I feel like I could have sized up. I got a small in this. This is like their sweetheart neckline sweater bodysuit. It is so thick and warm. Like this would keep you super warm in the fall. I mean in the fall and winter. But the thing is, I feel like because I have a larger chest, it like stretches out the neckline and you lose the fact that it's like a sweetheart notched sort of neckline. So you have to let me know. Do you think I should size up in this? Do you think I should keep it? Should it go? I think it's really cute. I just feel like I lose some of the detailed piping on it and whatnot because I could have gone with a larger size. So I think I might try it in a medium. They have this in black and I want to say white as well. I love this emerald green that they're coming out with everything, but the quality and the stitching on this is just super nice, and you could dress it up with a pair of like leather pants, or you could dress it down. I just featured it with a pair of denim, which I will show you really quickly. These are so amazing. I finally, if you guys have been watching my daily vlogs or anything, I've been on the hunt for like the 90s jean that Abercrombie that is blowing up everywhere, but I just feel like I've been ordering the wrong size or the wrong style or whatever. It just hasn't worked for me, but I finally found a pair that I love. These are the 90s straight ultra high rise, and I sized down in them. They're tighter, but they fit so much better than my true size. I love these. They fit really well. They're super flattering. They've got a giant hole in the leg, but they're still like really cute. They are stretchy, but they look structured and they still fit rigid. So yeah, but I think they'll stretch out a bit like after you wear them for the first couple times. I love these. These are like my absolute favorite. So I also paired them with this bodysuit, which I've had this bodysuit in like tank top form, but it wasn't as stretchy. So I love this. I feel like you can make this as like booby as you want to, with the little buttons that go up and down. I just feel like this Henley ribbed material is so flattering, and I love that it's a bodysuit because it tucks in, you don't have to worry about it coming up, and it's just such a basic. It's so easy to layer with, and it looks really pretty. I love anything ribbed and long sleeve and black. So I love the look with this, with these jeans, super cute. And then I also just threw on my Converse with that because just a basic casual daytime outfit. And then a way to kind of dress up these 90s straight leg jeans a little bit is to add a button down. You guys know my obsession with like satiny, silky button downs. I just love a button down all the time, no matter what the material is. This is kind of like I don't even know the material. I should actually look up the actual material. It's viscose and polyester. It's got like a very lightweight, between the mix of like a satin and like cotton meets linen almost. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so pretty and lightweight. It's very, very lightweight. This color, I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, this like blue, and I thought it was really pretty. You can dress this up or you can dress it down. You can dress it up or dress it down with these 90s denim, or you can dress it up with some leather pants. I also got these. These are the Curve Love high rise super skinny, or no, just skinny leather, I mean they're vegan leather pants. So cute, would be super cute with this button down as like more of a like nighttime look, but so cute together. I love a button up, you cannot go wrong, and Abercrombie's quality on their button ups is so good. Another sweater that I picked up, this is something that I've been eyeing at a couple of different locations, and I have only normally, or like before this season, I've only seen these sort of like wide collared sort of zippy sweaters in like sweatshirt material and not like sweater material, and this is the same sweater material as like my black and gray sweater that I absolutely love from Abercrombie. It's so soft. It is longer, so I did get it in a small because I wanted it to be oversized but not like so long that I could still tuck it into jeans, or I can wear it and it's long enough to cover your butt with leggings. It is such good quality, so soft. I love this like neckline that you can make it wider or like more narrow. You can wear something underneath it with necklaces. It's just so cute. I absolutely love it. Okay, and these I'm not the largest fan of. I had higher hopes for these than they delivered. I think these are the skinny high-rise jean. I ordered them true to size. A 26 is what I typically am. I just felt like they were looser in the waist, but really tight on my thighs, which I guess that's the look. I wanted them to be a bit looser. I probably should have gone up a size. Like looser in the thighs, if that makes sense. And I wanted more structure, and these are super stretchy. The color is really nice, but I don't love the length on them either. I like this distressedness in the back, but I would get a long, and I got a regular. So yeah, they're okay. They're just not my favorite. So these will definitely be going back, and I'll still be on the lookout for a pair of like structured skinny jeans, but those just didn't meet the mark for what I was looking for. But anyways, those are all of the clothes that I recently picked up from Abercrombie and how I would style them. Like I said, everything that I can link, I will link down below. Everything from the haul, as well as some things that like my shoes, accessories, all that good stuff. If you're interested, check the description box down below. You'll find everything that you need to, or anything similar if something is sold out. I love doing these videos for you guys, so if you do like seeing them as well, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up and leaving me a comment down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.